My name is Boris Petrovic. I will talk about the concept of HRONOYA on behalf of the Institute of New Cosmology and the Science of Time. The concept of HRONOYA is explaining the mechanism of time mirroring. What is time? What is the human perception of time? Throughout ages, numerous civilizations have created different types of calendars upon their perception of cosmical events, of the chronology and the cycles of cosmical events. So, in human history, the concept of measurement of time is based on cycles of heavenly bodies. The most accurate calendar of all in mathematic terms, and which is a cosmological calendar, is the Mayan calendar. The Mayan calendar explains that the end of a huge cycle of time will occur in the year of 2012. So what does this mean, the end of the cycle of time? Does this mean that civilization will end? Does this mean that world will end? Or will our perception of time end? We are living a 7-day, 24-hour working week, and we are being governed not by cosmical forces, but by earthly forces. The perception of cosmos has been reduced to a simple daily routine. We are, as human beings, mostly hugely unaware of ourselves in cosmos. The place of a human being in cosmos is not only perceived by the physical body of a human being, but also by some fine bodies which humans can perceive throughout, let's say, dreams. The dreaming body we can call the astral body, which is one of the fine bodies of human being. Humans also have the etheric body, and humans also have the point of spirit. And all humans have one thing in common, and that is represented by the soul of the world. Throughout time, priests, shamans, sages of all civilizations have talked in their languages, in their symbols, about this soul of the world, the Anima Mundi, the mind of the world, as in the Greek philosophers' time was called as nous. In the 20th century, scientists such as Czyżewski and Vernadsky have explained the manifestation of the mind of the world as the noosphere, which is this sphere that builds upon the biosphere, which will lead the humankind into a one-mind being. So humans are all as one being, and this perception of 2, 3, 4, 5 beings is actually an illusion, explained in Hindu mysticism as Maya. The illusion of Maya brings the illusion of time. So the concept of HRONOYA is talking about the mechanism of time mirroring, which will bring humans to a new consciousness of time. The current civilization is relying on fossil fuels, which are finite fuels. So, we go to a gas station, we buy 40 liters of fuel on which we can drive our car or ourselves 300 kilometers. What if there is a way or a certain fuel that we can use to drive ourselves infinitely? So, we must use infinity as the energy source. We must use time as the energy source.